Hello everyone, my name is Ron from Ron Gibson Properties in association with LeGrys, and today I'm at this gorgeous property for Glenham Place, a wonderful 2-bed mid-terrace family home. And actually I have to say, in this beautiful village of Sharpthorne, you've got a nice convenient shop just down the road as well if you so need it. And what I like as well, you have actually also got this lovely green to the side, so if you do have children and you want more space to be able to play, then that is fine. You do have that local recreation green. Right, I'm just gonna, bear with me, shut the door and take my shoes off. So yes, this is a really lovely, as I say, family home here, but the current owners, as you walk in, you know how so many homes are soulless? Well, this one literally has plenty of soul, and you'll see the reason why I say that in a minute, because it really is. This owner has got me back into vinyl, because you will never see I tell you what, if I've got 3 minutes left, I'm coming to this house. So but let's go and have a look at the accommodation. So first of all, you've got this really useful entrance porch from the front. To be fair though, when they come in, they generally come through the back, so you'll see why in a second. Coming through, you've got this lovely strip wood flooring as well. And look at this, isn't this absolutely trendy? I just wish I was brave with colours, as I'm really not. I'm very bland. I'm the typical magnolia person, but look at this. I have to say, it is the most funky room I think I've seen in a long time. Plus, you've got a wood burning stove. And again, because of what he did for a living, you've got fabulous lot of shelving here. And as I say, if you're like the owner here, you will have plenty of space for any books, records, as I say, vinyl. It's absolutely lovely. You can imagine on a cold winter's day how lovely and welcoming this home actually is. So coming through now into the next area. So again, perfect for storage, or if you want a little study area, it's great for that. Potentially, you could knock this wall through, have this as a dining room stroke other reception room. Now, in this bit here, sorry, as I just knock into something, just coming up there, that used to be the bathroom, but now more storage. So there's lots of configuration changes you could make to this property, which I'll show you in a bit. But just one final angle, there you go, of the front living room. Coming through into the second bit. So if I just show you the staircase leading up to the first floor, and then you've got as well, it's a really nice mirror. It's a very clever idea because it does make this area look bigger as well. Coming through into the kitchen. Now, you know, I call it rustic, but again, it's functional. If you want to obviously do your own thing, then that's entirely up to you. You could easily do so and reconfigure. Plenty of storage. And then just around the side here, as you can see illustrated, you've got space for a table and chairs, which is great if you're entertaining. And even if it's just for yourself and your own family, perfect. While you're doing the cooking, if you've got a youngster, you can keep an eye on them doing their homework, which I must admit, if it was me, I was dreadful. Yes, maybe why I've become an estate agent. Anyway, coming through into here. So just open the cupboard. So this here is a storage area, as you can see at the moment. However, with the pipes, you can see this used to be, before the owners were here, used to be a bathroom. So potentially could be reconfigured to have a downstairs bathroom, and you could potentially then maybe make the bathroom, which is upstairs now, a bedroom again. So if you wanted 3 bedrooms, there is that possibility to be able to change things around, which you may want to do. But as I say, lots of opportunities. Or just knock this through. You'd have to change the pipes around and things, and then have that as a dining area separately. So if I just show you here, so there is lots of potential. But I just love how it is now. If you're a keen collector of your records, vinyl, books, CDs, etc., it's perfect from that point of view. Then coming through, you have got this conservatory area here, or I say lean-to more so, but again, perfect in the summer. He just really locks it up during the winter, but it acts as a lobby. Got space for a big fridge freezer there, so that's perfect. And I have to say, it's a good, useful little space. And again, in the summer, he said the heat really does pour in, so you have to put something over the top. But again, it could be a proper conservatory if you wanted to put one in. Now, one thing I haven't mentioned is it is oil heating here. So you've got the oil boiler here, and then at the back of the property, you've got the oil tank as well. Now, you've got your garden. So parking, I'll show you in a second, and where the recreation is while we're out here. So if I just quickly turn around there, just for rear elevation. So the second bedroom at the very top, first bedroom on the first floor. So you'll see the configuration when we go upstairs. So mainly later on, and what I like here is quite a social place this, so you've got low fencing here deliberately for that purpose. And if we come further up here, got this really like mini barn here. It's actually really cool. It's got little storage areas just to the side. Hold on, it does help if I'm pointing in the right direction. Little storage bits there, but it's more just a bit of a feature, to be honest, just breaking up the rear part of the garden where you can put your little bits of rubbish and things, and then there you go. Really lovely. I love that image there. That's just really nice. And they've also hung a hammock as well just at the side there, so really nice indeed from that point of view. Then coming out here, so just going to show you where the recreation area is. So this is a communal footpath, which if we go along here, you can see we've got here the little parking bit. So just along the hedge, there's a few cars there just for illustration. So just down the side, and then you've got the recreation area there, and you can see there's some swings, there's a rope there. So this has actually now been given to the parish council, so it is protected as well. And then that's the little road that comes up where people then park, as I say, along the side there. So let's go in and have a look, as I say now, at the upstairs accommodation. And if I just quickly mind where I'm walking, make sure I don't do my Torval and Dean impersonation, which I often do when I'm doing these videos. So yeah, just bear with me. So coming back through the garden, and it's nice, you've got no walk-throughs, it's all at the back, so no one's interfered. You don't walk through someone else's property, or if you've got a dog or something, I'm sure you could put up some crash bang, sorry about that, but you can put some fencing up if you so needed to stop any dogs going out. Right, now to upstairs. Let's just go up there. So being careful, and here we are. So first floor, this is my favourite bedroom. Don't know, it's just got, I think it's the colour as well, the light pouring in. There you go. So double bedroom, really nice. Nice outlook. You can see there's no houses. Well, there is a house just on the side there, but not directly overlooking. And you've got greenery there as well. Good wardrobe space, always important. I say Sharpthorne's a lovely little village. I say the corner shop just up the road, got a nice cafe as well, and you've got the railway. So lots of real big pluses here. And I have to say it really has a lot of charm. If I just put a light on here, so you've got your WC, shower, sink, airing cupboard, and then here extra storage over the stairs. But what I love is, so this is what I was meaning about, potentially you could make this a bedroom again if you wanted to change a bathroom back to downstairs. So it's food for thought. Also, you could potentially even cut this up. You know, it doesn't have to be this big. So there's lots of little things. You could create a little single bedroom potentially, maybe move things around. There is potential here, but that's for you to come and have a look and see for yourself. And then that's just the rear elevation there. So let's go up finally to the second bedroom. Hello there, can't get my teeth in. I'm just going up as we speak. So just being careful, don't want to find the fast way down. And here we go now. And then you've got a little bookcase hidden away underneath storage. Plenty of space for a double bed. And again, nice to see all the light pouring in. Lucky with the day we've got. And then you have here, and there was a door, by the way, that does actually shut there, so you have got complete privacy. Little bit of storage up there. Again, recess area for a desk, chairs. And look at, as I say, this owner you'd want to be near, because if you want some music, there's so much opportunity to have that. And then through here, if I just put the light on, you've also got an upstairs here, toilet and wash hand basin. So it means in the middle of the night, you're not having to go down the stairs and try and quickly find your way down and get to the toilet. So I have to say, a really lovely home this. Got so much character. If you like homes with charm and that sort of, I don't know, just special feel you've got. And it may be the way the owner lives, but I think this is one of the loveliest homes I've seen at this price range on the market. So if you'd like to come and have a look, and you have got this far, do let me know, and I'll be delighted to show you around this wonderful character 2-bedroom family home in Sharpthorne. Thank you for watching, and if this has helped you in your search, please do like the video. I'll be very grateful and look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for watching. Take care.